Yes, my name is Tein McDonald and I'm convener of Australia's Restoration Decade Alliance. We would dearly love to influence our Australian government, with whom we are in discussion about collaboration, and they unfortunately could not be here today. We formed only 3 years ago, so we are a new organisation. However, our members have been working from anywhere from 5 years to 50 years or more. So many of our organisations are over 35 years old, and we have traditionally been working in restoration practice on the ground. So we have a steering committee of some 17 NGOs who are focused primarily on the restoration of damaged ecosystems across Australia and specialise in one or other area, whether it's revegetation of cleared agricultural lands, fauna reintroductions or restoration, natural regeneration, standards, for example, with the Society for Ecological Restoration Australasia. So the UN Decade gives us an opportunity to collaborate instead of compete, which we often do if we're competing for meagre resources from government or philanthropy, which is where most of our funding comes from. Collectively, we have maybe our annual turnover, maybe $21 million. We have, say, collectively 500 staff, 500 or so partners, and many member groups. So one organisation alone has 6,000 member groups. That's Landcare. So our organisations are very effective. However, we now realise, and we have realised for a long time, we all have a similar dream, and that is to accelerate restoration. The UN Decade gives us that collective opportunity to do so, and to do so with the endorsement of international communities. So we are trying, I guess, in an indelicate way, to put the bomb under everybody, our communities, our industries, our governments, and so we feel that our collective experience can be a great asset to our government, and we look forward to great collaboration with them in the longer term. So thank you very much, JP.